See my grapevine here, folks? It's right there, and it goes all the way up into this tree. When the buds only starting to break. Hope I'm looking at the right thing. So they're getting ready to leaf out. Further up here, some more leafing out. My compost pile, got some growth on the top there. And this right here was cut away from some of the trees that I have. This got to be turned into mulch, compost. That's a nest there, if you can see it. And you see the little tall branches leading all the way up. This is a dwarf tree from Stark Brothers. I need to clean all the weeds out of this tree. That's a nest there, if you can see it. And you see the little tall branches leading all the way up. This is a dwarf tree from Stark Brothers. I need to clean all the weeds out of this tree. Hey, we're walking up here towards a apple tree. It's got a nest in it. Look at that. It got. What tree is this? It should have a label on it. See my grapevine here, folks? It's right there, and it goes all the way up into this tree. When the buds only starting to break. Hope I'm looking at the right thing. So they're getting ready to leaf out. Further up here, some more leafing out.